What are you cutting up here?
The engine brackets.
If you guys haven't followed our Instagram, it's at Maj Garage. Hit us up with a follow for some insider updates before you put it on YouTube. So you guys might have saw on our Instagram that we got the engine here. It's a 5.3 liter V8. Where's the engine out of? What car?
It's out of a 2003 GMC 1500 pickup. We're waiting on some gaskets for the head, the intake. That's about it. Once we get those, we'll put the motor back together and probably just put it inside the car.
Is it gonna run yet?
No, it's not.
Got the rear bash bar on. Welded that up ourselves.
Me by Tomaj.
Oh, you trying to do some self-promotion of your welding?
Absolutely. Hit me up. If you need anything welded, I'll weld it. Look it up. You'll find it. DM me, and I'll weld for you.
T-band at 1.4.
I'll weld more on it to strengthen it up, but not until I get a gas tank or a fuel cell. We're gonna take a drill, and we're gonna drill through that centerpiece right there, and hopefully it'll come apart, and we'll have the mount, the bracket. This piece right here, so we can stick it on our excessive motorsport mounts, and then have the engine just chilling in there, and we're good.
Bracket.
This isn't gonna work. Okay. Well, we're done. Okay, well, I got through it. That's good.
You're through, pal. Oh, it smells like ass. Okay, what else is fucking holding it?
Wants to be nice and carry this for the rest of it.
Fuck you.
We should drill a hole through
Do you
there.
have that fucking torch?
Me? It's at home.
Well, I'm trying to figure out how to get through this.
Nope. Wait, hold up. I didn't set my backpack.
Really? Oh yeah, we can just fucking set that shit on fire. Hell yeah. I'm doing it. We're setting it on fire. Andre, bring it over here. Oh, it's still on.
I'll hold it.
Do more of it. Press it straight in.
Don't. That feels good.
We're cooking. Oh shit. Oh shit. Kill people for a living.
Do you now?
I do. I have to. Look at me. Look at me.
By the way, if you guys are wondering how you say our channel name, it's Maj Garage. Named after the man himself, Tomaj Bannon.
Follow me.
Yeah. Oof. Got some BMW wheels back here. They're 17 by 8, 5 by what? 120?
5 by 120.
If anyone wants them, hit us up in the comments or on our Instagram. We want to sell these for a while, so.
Looking for some money, so hit us up.
Alright. Got a new member of Maj Garage. Andre over here.
Hey guys.
Race car things.
10.9% of the total value.
Ay, mira la de aquí, right here.
What?
No.
I'm so done with my life.
Oh my god.
Because he stopped counting. Come on.
Hello.
There was an incident on the Coinstar. He ate up all your money and gave you 22 cents. Alright, bye. I think he's kind of mad.
So we finally got these apart. Just letting them slowly get rid of their burn. Thanks for watching, guys. Catch you next time.